Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Hulu login problems, account and device errors step by step clearly. First, confirm your Hulu subscription is active by signing in at hulu.com on a web browser. Next, double-check the email address you are using and make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Then, reset your password using forgot your email or password and create a strong new password. After that, try logging in again and make sure caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct. Now, check if Hulu servers are down by searching Hulu status and waiting if there is an outage. Next, restart your device completely by powering it off, waiting 20 seconds, and turning it back on. Then, restart your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds and plugging them back in. After that, test your internet speed and switch to a stable Wi-Fi network or use Ethernet if possible. Next, disable any VPN, proxy, or DNS filtering service, because Hulu may block login sessions. Then, update the Hulu app from your device's app store to the latest version. After that, update your device system software, because outdated firmware can cause sign-in errors. Next, sign out of Hulu on all devices by going to Account and choosing Log out of all devices. Then, sign back in only on one device first to confirm the account works normally. After that, check the number of allowed streams on your plan and stop playback on other devices. Next, clear the Hulu app cache if your device supports it in Settings, Apps, Hulu, Storage, Clear Cache. Then, clear the Hulu app data if cache is not enough, and be ready to sign in again afterward. After that, uninstall the Hulu app and reinstall it to remove corrupted files. Next, on a web browser, clear cookies and site data for Hulu.com and try again. Then, try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari to rule out browser-specific issues. After that, disable browser extensions such as ad blockers and privacy tools that can break login pages. Next, make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can block authentication. Then, confirm you are in a supported region and your account home location settings are correct. After that, check if your account is locked for security, and wait a bit or reset the password again. Next, if you use a bundled service, verify the login method and use the correct provider sign-in option. Then, verify your email inbox for Hulu security alerts and approve any suspicious login confirmations. After that, try signing in using cellular data or a different network to identify network-level blocks. Next, if you see a specific error code, search that exact code in Hulu Help Center for the device you use. Then, contact Hulu support with your error message, device model, and steps you already tried for faster help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.